Are you looking for a diet that can give you a body figure of your dreams? Or if you are a woman, a completely flat stomach? Belly fat is the issue and can be quite hard to get rid of unless you do this. Very important is that you fill your stomach with fiber from vegetables and limit the ones you get from bread. What happens is that you will feel full and satisfied earlier while you eat, and that will limit the number of calories you are eating. Processed food takes much of the fiber out of foods. For instance, a medium baked potato with skin has 3.8 grams of fiber. But if you make scalloped potatoes from a box, you will get less than 1 gram. So, try to have fresh and not processed foods. You need at least 25 grams of fiber on a flat ABS diet. Next, you want to balance your carbs. You need carbohydrates for energy, so you don't want to eliminate them as you would in diets like Atkins. But you also do not want to have too many, because that breaks down into glucose, which further breaks down into fat. The ideal range of carbs is 45 to 65% of your daily calories. Protein should make up between 15 and 20% of your calories. You need protein to build lean muscle mass. Also, make sure that fats from all sources make up no more than 25% of your daily diet. Water will not make you bloat or make you fat. Drink tons of water. Don't worry, you will flush it out with your urine and sweat. The good thing is that the water will flush your body, so you will get rid of a lot of bad toxins. Sodium is one of them, and actually causes you to bloat. Limit the amount of salt you put in your food. Another thing to consider when doing a flat ABS diet is reducing or eliminating fizzy drinks like soda. Pop and spritzes increase bloating because the carbon dioxide trapped in the bubbles creates gas. This slows your stomach down from emptying. Cut out alcohol and caffeine, or at least limit it. Both are natural diuretics and will make you lose fluid. Stick with water or maybe a little organic juice when you are on an ABS washboard diet. Lastly, try to reduce the stress in your life. Stress causes the hormone cortisol to act up. Cortisol causes fat deposits around the organs in your abdomen. Exercise is a great stress reliever, which has the added benefit of helping you to lose weight all over. Check out the link in the description for some good weight loss programs. And